Right, yeah, bro. So for $1, you will have 2.65 million dollars. Like from $1 in 100 years, you made 2.65 million. And 100 years is not that
Every
crazy.
$1 invested.
Yeah, that's wild. I didn't even read that part when you first sent me the article. That is insane. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No,
Just
the whole thing is like nobody wants to own
wow.
like if you tell people that, oh, I own the stock of a company that processes pork
Right, a
in the
bulk of
Midwest,
materials right here
right?
that we're seeing. They aggregate construction material like crushed rocks, concrete, cement, and then the second one in this list, 39 million%. Out of $1, you would have made 400,000 for each dollar. Yeah, but keep going. Sorry.
Raise dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like nobody, when you tell people that they should buy these companies, especially people that are not
Mm-hmm.
in the investing sphere, but obviously we're now at a point where like the last 4 years, everybody has access to stocks, everybody's
Mm-hmm.
talking about stocks, all this kind of stuff. And so if you tell these people that these are the companies that they should own because they're not easily disruptible,
Mm-hmm.
they'll laugh at you because they
Right.
don't want to own. And obviously, like if you're just going off, what most of these people in retail go off of is, oh, look at the last year. I think like right
Yeah.
now, one of the biggest things on Twitter, for instance, is about Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
They're like they laugh at people that talk about buying bonds or buying the S&P and talk about like, look at the performance of the last 10 years, right? And it's like,
Yeah.
dude, that's great that if you did buy Bitcoin 10 years ago, you've managed to outperform the market handily in the 1 decade, right? That's fantastic.
Yeah.
The issue is that can you replicate that over the next 40 years so that when
Right.
you come close to retirement age, you actually have money to show for it, right? Because when you talk about just a decade or even 5 years or 1 year or whatever, it's you get to the point where you have to duplicate that over and over again
Mm.
where and all these other factors come into play like can you time it, right? Do you have exit and entry strategy? Like, all right, you bought Bitcoin for $1. What was the thought process behind buying it for $1? It's at
Mm.
$100,000 right now.
Should you
What's the
sell?
thought process
Right.
of holding it or selling it? Like how do you use that,